Hi, and welcome to another video from the collection of website builder guides and video tutorials. In this short video, you're going to learn how to change favicon in your WordPress website. Changing the favicon, short for favorite icon, on your WordPress website is a simple process and allows you to personalize your site branding. The favicon is a small icon that appears in the browser tab next to your site's title. And here, a step-by-step guide on how to change the favicon on your WordPress website. To change your WordPress website favicon, go to WordPress dashboard, highlight Appearance, and click Customize. Scroll down and click on Site Identity. Within Site Identity, click Select Site Icon and upload favicon from your computer. Once image added to media library, click Select, adjust area to crop favicon to correct size, and click Crop Image. Website favicon should be square and at least 512 by 512 pixels. Once completed, click Publish to save changes. Close down the Customizer menu, refresh your site, and your favicon will change from the generic WordPress favicon to the custom favicon representing your brand.